Okay, so you know, the PVA started to go nice and tacky now, so I'm going to just work down the tools, just to dampen them off. And today I'm going to try something which I haven't tried before. I'm going to try and be Gary of RWF0067. And I've seen these plastering videos on YouTube whereby these plasterers, they basically get a hort full of plaster and they take it right from the depths of the earth right up there, and I'm thinking, do you know what, I'm going to have a go at doing that. I'd normally start at the top and work my way across, as you've seen in other videos, but I'm just going to try something different today, okay, and see if I can pull it off. Now look, let's be honest, we know that my trademark is spilling stuff, and half of this plaster will probably end up on the floor, but do you know what, sod it, I'm going to give it a go and see what happens, okay. Whoop, nearly lost it. So we've got a decent amount of plaster on the floor. This is scary stuff, this is. Now, I always bloody drop it. Let's just see what we can do, shall we? And this is one of the things I wanted Gary just to for a bit of advice on. How does he take all this plaster off the hort without dropping any? I mean, obviously the guy's very skilled, but I'm going to give it a whirl and see what happens, okay? Hey! Right, let's have a look then. So right from the bottom. Well, most of it's on the picture out, but anyway, let's see if we can get a bit more where it's supposed to be, shall we? Wowzers.